So I got this dog ramp from VEVOR. This folds up into 1/4 of the length, which is really handy. It's lightweight. It's got some padding here with some fabric that the dog can grip on. It's got some rubber grippers. It's got a metal construction on the sides here with hinges, so it's strong. This is a 100-pound dog that I'm going to use here to show you, and he's a heavy dog. And I can help use this ramp to get him in the back of the machine here because it's too heavy for me to carry him, lift him up. It's got a securing strap here that I've got with a little metal hook that keeps this from sliding down, which is super important. But you can see that I've just used this a couple times with him, and he's already up and down here and figured it out pretty easily. So, all right, let's go do it. And you want to show everybody? Let's kind of right up. Come on, buddy, get some treat. Good boy. And that's how it works. Took a little bit of practice. He was afraid of the sound and just a little bit of flexing that it does, but it didn't take long for him to figure it out and to also come safely down as well. Okay, come. Good boy. So with any training, using a treat helps a lot. This guy's pretty food motivated, so it only took, like I said, about coaxing for maybe 5 minutes or so to get him to consider walking up it, and then I still have to guide him a little bit, but he'll do it now pretty readily. Come on up. Come on, let's go. I say that, and then he doesn't want to. All right, let's do it again. Let's go. Good boy. All right. Good job. You did a good job. So I'll show you how this folds up. I just used a little hook on my tailgate. They provide you with this connector here. But to fold it up, it's very easy. It folds into fourths like this. And when it's all folded up, you can hold it from the center. There's a padded handle here, and you're ready to go. So that's it. That's the folding dog ramp from VEVOR. Really good device. Folds up nice and small so I can put it in the back and take him with me and then unload him and load him as needed. Hope that helps. Have a great day.